after nearly 25 hours of travel, we finally arrive at our hotel in Cairo, the Nile Ritz-Carlton. Situated right in the heart of the city, right along the Nile in Tahrir Square, it was the first modern luxury hotel in Cairo. When it first opened its doors in 1959, it was simply called the Nile Hotel, and it remained so until 2015, when Ritz-Carlton renovated and reopened it. We made it to our room at the Nile Ritz-Carlton, which is so cool to say. We've never stayed at Ritz-Carlton before.
No, we haven't.
Anywhere, let alone on the Nile.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the room. Got your TV, you got your setup here. The bellman, as he was coming in, he was like, this is the best robe in the best room in Cairo. I thought that was funny.
Yeah.
So it's got a little desk area, which is nice. A little sitting area over here.
I think we can connect like via Bluetooth to that speaker over there.
That's what he said. It's got a little sitting area over here. They got some fresh fruit out, which I'm probably not going to eat just because I've heard.
Well, no, I think if it's been rinsed, like I think like something in a peel, and like the kiwi, just don't eat the outside of the kiwi. I think that's the.
I'm not going to risk it. You can if you
Well, okay.
Then they have some slippers here by the bed, and I love that you even have the slippers have the ankh on them. I love
cool.
The bed here. They gave us bottles of water as we were walking in. They had bottles of water in here. They had bottles of water by the side of the table. There's bottles of water everywhere because you're not supposed to drink the tap water and stuff like that. You're not even supposed to brush your teeth with it.
Yeah.
So this is why there's bottled water everywhere.
As in, you would get sick from it, most likely.
So I love the old pictures of Cairo up there too with the pyramids in the background. It's so neat.
That is cool.
Most
Importantly.
A little coffee area.
Right, yeah.
Ooh, they got Illy. I didn't even see that.
I know, that's what I was saying. They got Illy espresso. I might have some tea tonight. So we've got a hot kettle and the Illy espresso maker.
Okay. I'm going to film you. You talk about the bathroom, and then we'll show the best part of the room.
Okay. They also have a mini bar. I mean, paid mini bar. But if you were curious, if you were doing this exact trip, I don't know what your plans are. Well, this is pretty awesome. The bathroom has a bath, which I feel like is rare anymore. And I love a good bath, especially when you've been walking all day or like traveling all day. Oh my gosh. Very awesome. They have a shower, which looks, if you want to come in, really nice. They even have a full mirror in there. That's kind of nice. You can shave in there, babe.
Very nice.
But they've got some nice toiletries in there.
I haven't looked inside there yet.
The toilet room.
The water closet.
It's the toilet room. Anyway, and yeah, they even have like a roof on. Yeah, it's just nice.
Nice.
But look at
Ooh,
this.
look at
I
those.
love a good little toiletry moment. They've got a shower cap, vanity kit, body lotion. Oh, see, this is Diptyque too.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's what they had on the flight, and it smelled so good.
Shaving kit, dental kit.
Nice.
So yeah, really, really nice bathroom. Oh, they even have scale. I'm not using that.
All right.
The best part. You want to show it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to open up these curtains, and I'm going to see what's on the other side here. They have a button here. It's a little slow, so hold on just a moment. Hold, please. The grand reveal.
It's so cool.
Set the stage. It's the opening of a Broadway show.
It is. The noise? Oh my gosh.
That, my friends, is the Nile River.
How flipping cool is that? Sorry, we're doing this through a window, obviously. Oh my gosh. This is one of, if not the coolest view we've ever had from a hotel. So neat.
Like
so yeah.
The Nile.
The Nile. Like, you know, of legend. Wow.